Hey there, cocktail enthusiast. Tony here with Logan. We're going to take you back in time to some Prohibition-Era cocktails.
That's right. Join us through a journey, and we're going to go have some amazing stuff, a little bit of Vernon's twist on it just to make it that much better. So we'll go right in, and we're going straight for a bee's knees. This one's classic and delicious.
It's the cat's pajamas.
It's the cat's meow. So this one's real easy. It's only a few ingredients going into here. You want a London dry gin, 2 ounces. Thank you. See, it's like you're my flapper girl, my assistant for today. We're doing 3/4 ounces of lemon.
I don't dance.
And then we're gonna do local honey. See, if I danced, I'd embarrass myself more than you, so I won't even try.
Oh, I'm not embarrassed, I just don't dance.
See, you got more confidence than me then. I got all the shame. And you want to add about 1 full egg white into our cocktail. All it gets is a rigorous shake. Now you're usually taught to do a dry shake, then a wet shake, but we at least have discovered, we believe, that doing the wet shake and the dry shake just gives it so much more depth and so much more volume.
Reverse dry shake.
It makes it amazing. Exactly, the reverse dry shake. Now that's also the cat's pajamas.
Indeed. So the bee's knees, while its origin is kind of unknown, the first time it was credited to anybody was a man named Frank Meyer, who was the first lead bartender at the Ritz in Paris in 1921 at the Café Parisien. So, cheers, Frank.
Here, you do the honors. Hopefully I did a good job.
Light, foamy, just sweet enough, perfect. That's the bee's knees.
That one is the bee's knees. Good tartness. Taste the gin on it, which is the most important part, at least for, I'm gonna say bartenders like us. You wanna taste your booze a little bit.
You don't wanna lose it completely to the drink.
That's exactly right. Next up for you, we got a Scofflaw. Now people talk about this one because anybody who was caught drinking or liked to drink during Prohibition were Scofflaw people.
They scoffed at the law. Are you feeling like a rebel, Logan?
I mean, usually bartenders are rebellious, and I can't say I'm any exception. So
true.
We'll jump right in.
We're gonna start with 100 proof whiskey. We're gonna do 2 ounces. A little bit of an overkill. That's okay.
Yeah, that's right.
We're scoffing at the law.
Gotta stick to the Prohibition style.
Do a 1/2 ounce of our dry vermouth. We're gonna do a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice. We're going to do a bar spoon of cherry juice. We're just using our...
See, there's rebellious right there.
Bada bing. Bada bing cherry juice. And then 2 dashes of Reagan's orange bitters. And since there's juice in it, we're gonna shake the hell out of it.
I wish I knew 1920s dance moves, although it's kind of a coming of era, so it might be a little prude of dance moves, you know? Just hands on the shoulders, baby 2-step.
Little baby 2 steps. Gonna garnish this, with an orange twist. Just express a little bit of that orange oil onto it, and cheers.
Perfect, Scofflaw.
All right, Scofflaw. Here you go, Rebel.
Oh, see, my turn. Rebel, I'm just gonna slam it then. No, dear goodness, I have work later. That is nice. No, the bourbon cuts through. That lemon juice actually helps mellow out everything a lot. The dry vermouth, actually, you can taste throughout, and it really makes the cocktail balanced. It's actually pretty decent.
It's true. There's a lot of strong flavors happening in there, but yeah, that lemon really does mellow it out somehow.
Yep, nothing's too overpowering all across the board.
No.
Yeah. So I can imagine people using pretty high proof bourbon on this and something that tastes really nasty, and using this and actually coming out with something much better.
A lot of the spirits that were coming out of the bootleggers were very harsh, or they were cut with really, really harsh alcohol. So
literally bathtub gin, as we were saying earlier.
Yeah, it helps. It helps to have a little juice in that bad boy, for sure.
You gotta help yourself just a little bit.
It's delicious.
Perfect.
All right. Well, we scoffed at the law and we won.
Yeah.
Cheers.
That's right. You really think you know Al Capone? Then I don't think you know his favorite cocktail, which is the Southside. This one's coming with some great ingredients here.
straight from the south side of Chicago, where him and his gang ran things for a while. We're gonna make this delicious, refreshing drink that you can share outside with your friends while you're running your business.
That's right. So this one's a gin-based drink. Did I put the Tanqueray back?
I sure did. I stole it
Oh,
from
did you do it? Oh, I thought I did.
I did it. Looking like the snake's hips there, Logan.
Looking like the snake's hips. Getting ready and postured. This one is a gin drink. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of gin in here. We're gonna have a full ounce of lime juice. This one's gonna get 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Now this one gets a little nice bit of refreshing mint leaves on there. So we'll drop straight in, no muddle necessary, because we're gonna go with an aggressive shake, and that's where all the mint flavor is actually going to come from on this. So we're gonna bury this one with dirty ice. Now, Al Capone had spent time in and out of jail constantly throughout his Prohibition times, and he was very much known as the ringleader for all Prohibition cocktails all over Chicago, and by chance making some of the most money of anybody in there. Now, if there's anything that's gangster, it's that. Al Capone's the true original gangster, and you're not an original gangster unless you know how to make this cocktail. All right, do the honors.
I feel like May Capone herself. That's delicious.
Nice. It's a mojito, but better.
Cheers.
Delicious. Cheers.
All right, so the next one we're gonna be making is actually a little pre-Prohibition from 1919, and it is called the White Lady. It is named after the Carol,
White Lady.
yeah. So it's named after Evelyn Alice Wander Gorkowitz. So the White Lady is a lot easier to say, but it was actually named after her because she rescued a bunch of British soldiers during the Turkish War, and she would dress up as a washerwoman in a white outfit and would smuggle them out under the laundry. So let's do some laundry. So we're gonna start with 2 ounces of gin.
For some reason, all these Prohibition and all these London and Paris guys, they all love gin.
1/2 ounce.
It's their favorite.
1/2 ounce of lemon. And then an egg white. We're gonna do our reverse dry shake.
So it's interesting because the more you dive into these cocktails, the more you dive into Prohibition as well, the almost more you see that not a lot of them came from America. I think a lot of our gins and a lot of our different alcohols and spirits were way too nasty to experiment with. So we had to learn from where we could actually have fun with our cocktails and play a little bit more. Get our inspiration from different areas.
It's easier to be creative when you don't have to be secretive.
This is very true.
Yay, Paris.
Oh, did we? Lemon twist.
Lemon twist. And this will be a
Lemon
lemon
twist.
twist. Let's twist and express some of our good little lemon juices, and cheers.
Perfect.
How about a White Lady
This
for you,
was
Logan?
Making me spill. That's actually nice.
All right, Helen.
Well, we wanted to thank you guys for joining us. We're going through Prohibition cocktails and a little blast through time.
This was the Becky.
This, I mean, the
White
White Lady. The White Lady. That's what it is. So we've done the White Lady. We did the Dillinger Sour today. We did the Scofflaw, and then Southside.
Yeah, yeah. We got the Southside. Here's our beautiful little
Perfect.
pageant lineup of Prohibition cocktails. Come here, ladies.
Gotta have them look beautiful. Come here,
Beautiful,
ladies.
Gorgeous.
The flapper girls. They're
Work.
showing too much ankle now, but we'll allow it. At
Love
least
it.
for this time. We got a few high rollers and they said ankles are okay. So be sure to like and subscribe down below. Thanks for tuning in.
Cheers.